Hey, and welcome to Witchcrafty. Animal Crossing's New Horizons was released, and it's the first game I've been this excited to play in the longest time. I thought I'd make another Animal Crossing craft as it's been 5 months since I last made something, and settled with a fossil plush that I can also double as a pillow. Here's everything you'll need to make this. There's an additional material breakdown in the description for extra clarity. The fabric can always be changed up to what you want to use personally. The pattern is available for free from my DeviantArt. It's the second link in the description. Make sure to follow the key at the top and to cut out all your pieces as accurately as possible. The first thing you need to do is to take one of the blue base pieces and align the grey pieces so that it matches a reference picture. Once done, pin them on and join them using a running stitch or a backstitch. Make sure these pieces are as flat as possible if you're using Minky to do this, otherwise you may end up with some sagging fabric issues like I had. Then place the white accent pieces above these to create an outline effect and sew them on using the same method. Take the other blue piece and place these two pieces together with the tracing side up and seam allowance aligned, and begin sewing them together. When you've nearly reached the end, flip it the right way up, stuff it, and then conceal the fossil with an invisible stitch. And that is how you make a fossil plushie. Make sure to leave a like and subscribe if you enjoyed the video, and comment down below on ideas that you'd like to see me make next. And while you're at it, why don't you go check out my other videos? I upload new videos every single week. Thanks for watching, bye!